Welcome guys, today I will show you how to Moto AI Memory Journal works on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the wall list of the app and choose Moto AI app. You will need to log in into this app, but you can do it simply using your Google account. Then, from Tools for Productivity section, choose Remember this part. Alright, now you have two options. You can add only some text or with a photo. So, let me show you how it works. Let's begin from the simple text. So, for example, I like red flowers. Now you see the process completed. So this remember now in Memory Journal. Where you can find this? Open the additional menu by using three stripes icon and go to the memory part. Alright, so here you can find all your remember things. Also, you can delete memories from here, from this journal. Also, you can turn off, for example, this feature by using this personalization memory part. Okay, so how to add some picture? Open the remember this part again and let me take a picture. So I made a picture of this tiny flower, save it, and let's enter some details about it. For example, my favorite flower. Save. Okay, now we see that remember is going to be saved. Alright. Now, how to use Memory Journal on Motorola Edge 70. So, simply open the wall apps list and here you will see this AI bar. Use the microphone icon or the text. Let's try manage this AI by voice. So, show me my favorite flower, please. Okay, and here we are, our photo of our favorite flower. Also, which flowers I like. Now, which flowers I like. Okay, so AI not only show us our memory, our remembers, our notes, also AI combine these notes and give us an answer that I love red flowers and type of flowers like this. So it is a nice feature. You can use it, you can try it. So how to delete the memory? Open this menu. You will find here these notes. Simply hold one of the memory. For example, you can also select all and use this bin icon. Confirm, and that's it. So, try this feature on your Motorola Edge 70. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.